What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have the JVC HAS-23Ws, and despite the horrible name, these are actually really good. I will be telling you about the 4 qualities of these Bluetooth headphones that makes them really good. Okay, let's get started. First things first, the sound quality of this are actually surprisingly good for the price, which is only $34.95 as of the recording of this video. So they actually make for a really good sounding headphone. Of course, for the price, these aren't they aren't the biggest and they aren't the best or loudest speakers, but they do the job and they do it extremely well for the price. Personally, I would say that the sound quality on these is around a 6 out of 10. Second thing, the durability on this is absolutely insane. I've dropped these many times before and they've always held up. They have never, the speakers haven't been broken, and these are just extremely durable headphones. Personally, I would rate the durability a 10 out of 10. Third thing, I would rate the comfort of these a 7 out of 10. Wearing these for a really long time, for more than an hour or so, can actually start to get on your nerves, but otherwise, they're relatively comfortable. They have felt pads in them, and they twist and swivel, and are very flexible for your head shape. So, and also, they have a couple notches of expandability on either side and are very easily stretchable. For comfort, I would rate it a 7 or 7.5 out of 10. Pairing wise, these are actually really good. They pair really quickly and they work on almost every single device that I've tried to pair them on. How you pair them on, actually, is there's a button right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then you click and hold that to turn that on, and you click it again to start pairing mode. They pair really easy and really quickly. If you need a more advanced tutorial, you can look on the website or find other tutorials online. There's volume down and volume up, and that's pretty much it. There's only 3 controls. Almost anyone can use these. Almost anyone can afford these, because it's absolutely insane that these are priced at $34. This is extremely good for its price. For the pairing, I would rate it a 9 out of 10. Like and subscribe for more content like this. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.